Alright, so we've got some crushed ginger and garlic, some onions, and some green chilies. What I'm going to be doing is making the classic curry style onions, garlic, and then chilies after the sauce is done. Your eggplants should be about here. If they're not, just give them a bit. So once they're all fried up like that, you can get them out and start the curry process. So we've got the tamarind water boiling here. After the onions have gone brown, throw in your ginger and garlic. Wait for it to fry a little. Add your turmeric. Okay. Add your spices that you've ground up. So we've given the spices a good chance to kind of cook onto everything. And now, if I can get the heat up, because it's actually at the highest it can be. So what I'm going to do now, add your tamarind water. Now that we have water in there, it really kind of helps mash the onions. See that consistency? That's what we need. Now let's go in with some yogurt and finally the eggplant and the chilies. Alright, so we've added the yogurt and we're just mixing it around. It's going to get nice and creamy like this, and that's what you want. Alright, let's go in with our chilies, and finally, we're going to throw in our fried eggplants. Alright, let's get some salt in there. Not too much, because you already have the souring agents in there. Turn that off, and throw in your eggplant and chilies. Stir well, or carefully, actually. Try not to break these eggplants. It's okay if you do, but it's okay if you don't too. So. Now that we've got those in there, just put on the lid for about 5 minutes on low heat. Not completely, just a little bit. In with the coriander. Got some lime juice going. Just threw some in. And that's done. As with everything, we gotta let it set. And that's how it should look in the plate. Pure deliciousness. Enjoy. With bread.